Hi, myself Nancy, and today we are going to learn about meeting at the train station conversation part 3rd. If you have not watched the previous video, go and check it. First you watch part 1, part 2 and then this one part 3rd. So basically we are going to study here exercises 6 to 10. Before starting the video, I have one request for all my viewers. Watch the video till the end. I hope whatever your doubts, queries may be crystal clear. Means शीशे की तरह साफ. So let's see examples. Exercise 6 and the sentence is, did your cousin arrive on time? So basically in this sentence we can see here cousin. Instead of cousin we can use different words such as aunt, uncle, nephew, niece, grandmother. So how we can use this word in sentence? Let us see one by one. So number 1, let us start. So number 1 is aunt, and how we use this one in sentence. So sentence is, did your aunt arrive on time? See, the difference you can see here is did your cousin arrive on time? Instead of cousin we are using aunt. Next word, uncle. Uncle we will use in sentence and it will happen like this. Did your uncle arrive on time? Next word is our nephew, and in this nephew we will use in sentence. Did your nephew arrive on time? Next sentence is niece. We will use this one word niece in sentence and it will be like this. Did your niece arrive on time? Next sentence, grandmother is our word and this one we will use in sentence. Did your grandmother arrive on time? Exercise 7. The sentence is, did your cousin arrive on time? Here instead of arrive we can use different words such as come, get there, return, level, get back. So how we will use this word in sentence? Let's see one by one. Number 1, come. Did your cousin come on time? Get there. This we will use in sentence and it will be like this. Did your cousin get there on time? Next word is return, and in sentence, did your cousin return on time? Next word is leave, and in sentence, did your cousin leave on time? Next word is our get back. In sentence, did your cousin get back on time? Exercise 8. Sentence is, did your cousin arrive on time? So in this sentence here time will change. Instead of time we can use different words such as late, too late, early, before departure. So how we will use this in sentence? Let us see one by one. Number one example is late, and in sentence we will use this one like this. Did your cousin arrive late? Next word is too late. We will use this word in sentence like this. Did your cousin arrive too late? The difference you can see that here is late, here is too late. Next word is early, and in sentence, did your cousin arrive too early? Next word is before departure, and in sentence we will use this one like this. Did your cousin arrive before departure? See, here you can notice that in this sentence here is time, in this sentence here is late, in this sentence we are using here too late, in this sentence we are using too early, in this sentence we are using before departure. Means one sentence we can say in different ways. Exercise 9. Did your cousin arrive on time? Instead of cousin we can use different words such as uncle, get back, early, nephew. So how we will use this words in sentence? Let's see one by one. Uncle. Did your uncle arrive on time? Next is get back. Did your uncle get back on time? Next word early. In sentences, did your uncle get back early? Next word is nephew. And in sentence, did your nephew get back early? So basically you can see here that you can ask someone questions in this way. You can learn from here the different way of asking questions. Exercise 10, and the sentence is, I have got one of them with me. So in sentence you can see here them. Instead of them, we can use different words such as my suitcase, a couple, my package, several, my things. How we can use this sentence, how we can use these words in sentence, let us see one by one. So number one sentence is, I have got one of my suitcase with me. This one, it came here instead of them. Next word is couple, a couple. In sentence, I have got a couple of my suitcase with me. Next word, my package. In sentence, I have got a couple of my packages with me. Next word is several. In sentence, I've got several of my package with me. Next word is my things. In sentence, I have got several of my things with me. Here is some information for all my viewers. If you want to learn more basic English, then you can follow to my first channel, Nancy Juliana. And also you can follow me on Instagram. The link is given below. Go and check it. If this video is really helpful to you, then subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon also. Thanks for watching the video. So take care of yourself and bye-bye.